Hey guys, Aaron here from Simply New England Off-Road, coming back to you from the barn. So as you can see here, we've got the Z950 to my right, the 800XC to my left, and behind me, this big MSC banner and this MSC t-shirt. So what does this mean? This is the video you've been waiting for, the MSC Sizzling Summer Giveaway. So what I'm doing here today is MSC once again has got back to me, and the last giveaway was really good. We had a great time on that one. So we're going to go ahead and give away another $200 of MSC's money. Now this is simple. All you need to do to qualify to win $200 of MSC's money for the MSC Sizzling Summer Giveaway is watch this video. I would ask you to subscribe, because if you subscribe and you win and you're not a regular viewer, then it makes it easier for me to contact you as a winner. Third, in this video's description, you will need to go in to the video description and you will need to enter hashtag summer, hashtag SUMMER. Now this is very important because I'm going to use a randomizer, as I've done in the last videos that I've done giveaways for. And when I go use the randomizer, it's going to pull up every single person that types hashtag summer in the video description. If you put this description in the Facebook post or the Instagram channel post, it will not count. You have to put hashtag summer in this video's description on YouTube. Once you've done that, I'm going to let this run for about 2 weeks. Right around the end of July, I will go ahead and I will do what I've done in the past. I will set everything up and I will do a live giveaway. And there will be a second prize. The second prize, I have another one of these Chase Bluetooth camera deals. Basically, it does face tracking, object tracking. It does a 360 move. It has a 360 moving head. It's compatible with Android and iOS, and it's app integrated. So this little thing here, you put your phone in here. You can go the long way or you can go the landscape way. You just loosen this up in the back. I'll try to loosen it up, and you can put your phone that way. And then what you do is, once it's set down and you hit this power button, if you are on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you want to do some videos, once your phone is in there and you move around, this will automatically swivel and track you. So it's not a bad second place prize. Third place prize is going to be a Simply New England Off-Road t-shirt. If you win that, I will send you the link to the page where I sell my t-shirts and allow you to pick out one of whatever you want. So that's it, guys. It is the MSC Sizzling Summer Giveaway, giving away $200 more of MSC's money. So the instructions once again: you're watching this video, please subscribe. It makes it easier for me to contact you. And then the most important thing is, in this video description, you need to make sure you type in hashtag summer. As you can see, just like this graphic, you want to type it exactly like that. That way it ensures that your name comes up when I use the randomizer and pick 3 winners. And as I should, as a big thank you to MSC, let me just take a moment. Guys, MSC, MainStreetCycle.com, Tishomingo, Mississippi. You have their number right there, 662-438-6407. They are America's #1 CFMOTO dealer. They also have a full website loaded with accessories, parts. You can also check them out on Facebook. They have a great page with loads of followers. So please check out MainStreetCycle.com, www.MainStreetCycle.com, and tell them Aaron from Simply New England Off-Road sent you. So guys, go ahead, get on in there, start sending those entries in. I want to thank all of you who continue to support the channel. Don't forget CFMOTO Everything group on Facebook. Go ahead in there and come join up as a member. We have over 7,000 members, all CFMOTO centric. I do a very good job with keeping out the junk and people that have bad attitudes. Again, you can go find the link to the CFMOTO Everything group in Facebook in this video description. So guys, as I say at the end of all my videos, Aaron here with Simply New England Off-Road. I will see you on the trails.